Hi guys, welcome back to yet another video. This time around we have a gift from Aochuan. They send us a gimbal. It's called the Smart X. Roughly $79, 80 bucks at Amazon right now. They were kind enough to send us this item for free. We'll take a look. We'll unbox this baby today. We start here. We go. Alright guys, here it is. This is the product. Here's the box. The first panel that you see is the front cover, photo of the product, logo. Smart X is the model, and that's the description. 3-axis smartphone stabilizer. Logo on the side. Master sleep always leads. Top is just blank. Bottom is also blank, just a sticker on the side. And the back has product photos, item description, 3-axis stabilization, 3-section fill light, dual expansion interfaces, easy fold, replaceable batteries, smart app. This is the packing list. So you get a stabilizer, a tripod, a Type-C cable, and the user manual. Let's open it up. All right, it's a push box. This is the black box inside. App Store and Android compatible. You get a QR code right here if you need to set things up, and that's the brand. Master Sleep always leads. It opens from here, and boom, you get your gimbal. Let's see here. Gimbal, manual, tripod, and the cable. Just plastic container. This is what we got. Joystick, that's always a plus. Right button, power. You also get zoom. This is to put in additional arms, or if you want to put it on a tripod sideways, you could do that too. There should be another one at the bottom. Alright, that's the tripod itself. And I guess it folds this way. Yeah. Does it have a lock? I don't see a lock. I do see a lock here. Okay, interesting. Quick start guide. You get USB-C cable. This is what they sent. What do you guys think? Is it worth it? It seems pretty neat. Once again, I will have to actually test it out. The build quality, it's well put, to be honest. The buttons, however, they're a little on the cheap side, but the build quality seems pretty fair. You know, don't expect this being full metal. This is hard plastic. It's decent. Other than that, that was it. This was the unboxing for the Smart X from Aochuan. Big shout out to them. Hey, they send it over for free. We'll test it out. We'll give you our honest review. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. My name is Javier Morales. This was the unboxing of the Smart X, and thank you guys so much for watching once again. Don't forget, if you like content like this, please consider subscribing. That helps me a lot to get even more products, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.